This is a great reason why we recommend an annual pest inspection. Here we had damaged deck structures due to termite activity that went unnoticed. So they had to rip out the entire structure and replace with the new decking. Over there, you're gonna see we rod injected the soil due to people working here and limited clearance to dig back. So we wanna get at least 6 to 8 inches underneath that soil level to treat down below where the termites reside. On the concreted areas around the house, we drilled down to the soil and we injected the soil below. You'll see over here what the finished product will look like. You'll see where we drilled, there's a little concrete patch. You'll see this process was repeated. Over here we have our rod injector. So this is what we're using to get down below the concrete in these holes. And this will take place around the entire perimeter where there's concrete. As you come over here, you will see a trench we dug back. The trench allows us to soak the soil below. And then once we're done treating this area, we backfill it so it looks like we were never here. Another great thing to look at is if pest inspection was done and this was noticed. Dry rot's conducive for termite activity. So when there's dry rot, there's weakness in the structure that can allow them to enter. And this is why we recommend taking care of any items on the exterior of your home, because this is avoidable.